I'm Aaron and I'm going to show you how I package my prints. For my prints, I use this foam board. You can get this stuff at Dollar Tree or Walmart. It's really cheap and inexpensive, but it's nice and sturdy. My prints are all 8.5 by 11 inches, and so I can just use any piece of scrap paper as a ruler. I use 4 pieces of paper as a guide, and then I use my X-Acto knife to cut around them. Once the lines are all scored, I turn the board around and I cut all the lines with the X-Acto knife to separate them. I store all of my print inventory in a large accordion folder for safekeeping. I check and make sure that each individual print is in good condition before I start packaging it up. All of my prints come signed on the back with my signature, the title of the piece, and then the edition number. I keep track of the editions of all my prints in a spreadsheet. This is what the back of your print will look like. Once the back of the print is ready, I square it up in the foam board to make sure that no edges are hanging out and can be damaged in shipping. I write out the name of the client on the top left of my board to make sure that the right print goes to the right person when I'm shipping multiple prints. When I have time, I like to write a special thank you note to everyone who buys a print for supporting me in my art. Sometimes I also like to draw a little picture on the front just for fun. I put a piece of tape here, here, and on the bottom. Once the packaging with the foam board is complete, it's ready to go in its envelope. The address of the client goes in the middle of the page, and then the return address goes in the top left. And then it's ready to take to the drop box. I like to use USPS as my shipping provider, as they have the best rates and they have good tracking. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this has been helpful, whether you're wanting to learn how to package prints or if you're thinking about buying one.